Hello Year 4, welcome back to day 2 of week 15. Just going to start off just by going through the answers. So question number 1, there is 7 metres 25 centimetres left on the roll. Question 2, there is 68 millilitres of milk left. Question 3, he needs to add 360 more millimetres into the jug to equal 500 millilitres. Question 4, okay, the jug, water and oil jugs. How much more oil is there than water? There is 350 more millilitres. Question 5, if you were measuring a classroom bin, okay, I've put that either it could be measured in centimetres if you were measuring the height, but you may also measure the volume of the bin, which would be litres. A letter I would measure in centimetres, and a bath I would measure in litres. Okay, question 6, which answer? Okay, should be 41 centimetres. And then question 7, where you had to order the length from shortest to longest. Okay, first thing I did was just converted them into centimetres. I haven't then ordered them, okay, because obviously it depends on your height, okay, which is going to be the shortest to the longest. But well done for that. Okay, so today we're going to be recapping and consolidating our learning on measurement, but specifically looking at money. So just to recap, okay, obviously money, we've got the pound sign and the p sign, and £1 is equivalent to 100 pence. So let's have a look at some examples together before we have a go at home. Once again, if you'd like to pause the video and have a go beforehand, please feel free to do so. So Leona saved £50. She wants to buy a music player for £23.48. She also wants to download music from the internet. This will cost £9.67. Does she have enough money left to buy some headphones at £8.96? Okay, so there's a few steps that we need to complete in order to answer this question, okay? What I'm going to do first, there are a few different ways you could do this, but what I'm going to do is add together the two amounts of money that she spends. Okay, so she spends £23.48 and £9.67. So I'm going to add those two amounts together first and then subtract it from the £50. You could also just do some subtraction and subtract £23.48 from 50 and then subtract £9.67 from that answer. Both will give you the same answer, it doesn't matter, but I would just prefer to do it this way. Okay, so I've got 8 ones add 7 ones equals 15 ones, so regroup my 10 ones for a 10. 4 tens add 6 tens is 10 tens, add 1 10 is 11 10, regroup again. And then I've got £3 subtract, £3 add £9 is £12, add £1 is £13, regroup again. So that means that she spends £33.15. Okay, so now I can subtract that amount from £50 that she saved at the beginning. So I'm just going to set that out. Okay, so I've got 0, 1 subtract 5 ones. I can't do that, so I'm going to need to do some regrouping. Excellent. So 10 ones subtract 5 ones is 5 ones. 9 tens subtract 1 tens, 8 tens. £9 subtract £3 is £6. And then 40 subtract 30 is 10. Okay, so that means that she's left with £16.85. Now the question was, does she have enough money left to buy some headphones at £8.96? Okay, yes, she does have enough. Okay, and I could obviously then go on to work out how much money she would have left, but I'm going to leave that for now. Right, this one, pause the video, have a go, and then I will go through the answer. Okay, so the question was, Toto is Mia's dog. It costs Mia's family 43p a day for dog food. How much does it cost Mia's family to feed Toto for a week? Okay, so I needed to do 43p times by 7 because there's 7 days in a week. Okay, which gave me the answer 301p. And then obviously using my conversions, I was then able to convert it back into pounds and pence. So it costs Mia's family £3 and a penny each week to feed their dog. Right, slightly different type of problem question here to complete. So it's how many ways? Okay, so I spend 70p at the shop. I pay with exactly 5 coins. Okay, which coins did I use? And 3 different levels, we've seen these before. Okay, level 1 I can find a way. Level 2 I can find different ways. Level 3 I know how many ways there are. The key bit here is I pay with exactly 5 coins. Okay, so I've got down here the different types of coins that are available. Which 5 coins can I use to spend 70p? Okay, so I so far have found 3 different ways. Okay, so my first way was using 2 20p's and 3 10p's. My second way was using 3 20p's and 2 5p's. And then my third way was using a 50p and then 4 5p's. Okay, it doesn't mean that there's only 3. Okay, so at the moment I've only gone to level 2. Please, if you find any more ways, then let us know. Right, it is now your turn at home. So today you've got 7 questions. Let me just move out of the way so we can see. So I will put a picture of this at the end of the video and you can find it on the Learning PowerPoint. Good luck and I will see you tomorrow. Should you wish to complete some mental maths today, please continue watching the video for the questions. You will need to look carefully at the calculations and decide whether to use a mental or written method. Remember to set yourself a timer for 5 minutes and to pause the video. Good luck! Now you have finished, continue watching for the answers.